In this video, I will demonstrate how to prepare a check layout. Before you create a checkbook, you need to prepare a check layout for the checkbook. This layout will be used every time you print checks in a specific checkbook. Preparing check layout has been made really easy in Cheque Magic. You can scan and save the image of your check and use this image to prepare check layouts. Go to check layout, select design layout, and layout design window appears. Provide a name for your layout. You have all the fields listed here: account payee only, not negotiable, date, pay line 1, pay line 2, bearer strike, amount in words line 1, amount in words line 2, amount, account number, for company, authorized signatory name, not above amount, payable at par, and signature stamp. If you don't have a pay line 2 on your check, you can unselect pay line 2. Also, if you do not have amount in words line 2 on your check, you can unselect amount in words line 2 as well. In this case, I will keep amount in words line 2 checked. For date on check, if you have different boxes for each digit in date, select evenly distribute. You can also specify the spacing between each digit in date on check. It doesn't matter if you are not going to use one or two fields provided. You can specify the fields you want to include while preparing checkbook or before printing. If the image of your check is not available in the list here, browse for the image that you must have already scanned and saved in your system. Position all the fields appropriately. Alternatively, you can measure the dimensions of each field using a ruler and type in the measurements in appropriate fields. Position all the fields appropriately. Account payee only, not negotiable, date. Make sure that the spacing between each digit in date has been made correct. Pay line 1, bear strike, amount in words line 1, amount, amount in words line 2, account number, for company, authorized signatory name, signature stamp, not above amount, payable at par. If you want, you can do a test print here. Select your printer and click OK. Oops. If your printer doesn't have a check size appropriate for your check, you can add a custom paper size to the paper size list of your printer and click OK. You can have a test print copy here. Once you are satisfied with the alignments and positioning of each fields on your check, you can click Save. A new check layout has been created, and you can use this check layout with the checkbook that you would like to